Today we are going to create this amazing box style animation in DaVinci Resolve. Let's go to Effects and add a fusion composition. Press Ctrl D and increase the duration to around 7 seconds. Enter in the fusion composition and add a background node. Change its color to white and connect it to the media out. Now add a grid. Press Shift Spacebar and search for grid. Change the color to black. Set row cells to 24 and column to 20. Slightly lower the brightness of the color. Now add a merge node, a polygon mask and a background node. Connect them all together. Then go to the polygon mask and remove the diamond here. Go to the polygon and draw your lines. Now set border width to 0.003 and uncheck solid. For now disable the grid. Then copy and paste everything. On the first polygon delete this point here. On the second polygon delete this other point. Now we have just the height on one side and only the base on the other. Go to the media out and place it as before. Rename the first polygon as sideline, then rename the second polygon as baseline. Now copy baseline, press Ctrl C and Ctrl Shift V to create an instance. Add another background node, connect it to the instance and link it to the merge. Add a duplicate node, Shift Spacebar and search for duplicate. Set the number of copies to 5. Go to center and set Y to 0.631. Now reactivate the grid and reduce its opacity. Add a polyline stroke and a background node, then connect together. Remove the diamond keyframe here. Draw the line, set border width to 0.101, uncheck solid, and change it to this shape. Then change the color to green. Now do the same, copy everything, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Move the polygon more to the right, go to the background and change its color to pink. Now we can remove the grid. Add a merge node, a P emitter and a P-render. Go to the P emitter, set the number to 10, add a keyframe and at the next frame 1 set it to 0. Now set the lifespan to 1000. Go to Style, choose Hang-On and set the type to circle. In size control set it to 3. Change the color, go to region and select rectangle. Move it and increase width and height a bit. Make sure the P-render is in 2D. Now add a P-flock node. Set follow strength to 1 and repeal strength to 0.02. Add a P-directional force and set strength to 0.0039 so the particles will fall. Add a P-bounce node, set elasticity to 0.157 and variance to 0.173. For region, choose Bezier. Try to follow the shapes and make it narrower. Add another P-bounce. Set elasticity to 0.211. Set a variance to 0.473. Go to Bezier and create a enclosure. Add a background node and connect it to a P emitter. Change the background color to pink, FFCAE2. Add a drop shadow node. Set shadow strength to 0.425. Then drop distance to 0.0032. Now add a edge detect node below the background. Enable edge mask overlay. Set edge width to 0. Set brightness to 1.1 and blur to 0.3. Now as you can see, the shapes will fall inside. So let's increase the available space, increase the width, increase the height and move it higher. Add the time stretcher and go to the last frame with the maximum duration. Now increase the length of the fusion composition so that all the shapes can fall completely. Also set a track strength to 0.01. Now connect the polyline stroke to the merge so that it will appear inside. Let's adjust the first P-bounce, move it higher and make it narrower. Go to the instance the border width, then lower the border width to 0.01. Let's add a keyframe on position. Go to frame 40 and add another keyframe on position. Do the same with this one, but this time on length, and go to frame 40. Go back to position, set it to 1 so the line will be created. Now go to the baseline. Set length to 0 so the other lines will appear too. So go here and the instance. Go to duplicate, set the time offset to -5. Click on the instance, go to keyframes, open the keyframe window and click zoom to fit. Select the keyframes and move them a bit forward. Adjust the keyframe position as needed. Select everything and confirm the keyframe. Then go here, press Ctrl A and S to smooth it out. We can now remove the grid. And add film grain, keep time lock on and set strength to 0.02. Add stop motion and set it to 2. Then add a merge and fast noise. Set scale to 50, apply mode to soft light and gain to 0.85. I will be posting new videos soon with even more advanced animations. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like if this video was helpful and write in the comment if anything wasn't clear. I will personally reply to help you out.